Your brain is not broken, it's just running an old program. A survival program built thousands of years ago to keep you safe, comfortable, and alive. The problem? That same program is the reason you're still avoiding the hard things that would actually change your life. The workout, the business, the difficult conversation. Your brain sees all of them the same way it sees a lion. Danger, retreat, stay comfortable. And every time you obey it, you get smaller. But here's what nobody tells you. You don't need more motivation. You don't need a perfect morning routine. You need to reprogram how your brain responds to hard things. And science actually shows you how. Step 1, stop negotiating. The moment a hard task enters your mind, your brain opens a courtroom. Maybe after this episode, I'll start Monday. I'll do it when I feel ready. That's not thinking. That's your survival system buying time. And here's the brutal truth. Every time you negotiate, you teach your brain that hard things are optional. They're not. Neuroscience calls this the intention-action gap. The longer the gap between thought and action, the stronger your brain's resistance becomes. So the rule is simple. The moment the thought appears, you move. No debate, no permission. No countdown, just execution, because negotiation is where discipline goes to die. Step 2, stop flooding your brain with cheap dopamine. Here's why hard things feel impossible right now. You've been giving your brain a 5-star meal of dopamine all day. Every scroll, every notification, every snooze button, your brain gets a hit of reward without doing anything hard. So when real effort shows up studying, building, creating, your brain compares it to the easy dopamine it already has. And real work loses every time. Studies on dopamine dysregulation show that constant low-effort rewards literally raise your brain's pleasure threshold. Hard things don't just feel hard, they start to feel pointless. The fix? No phone until the work is done. No reward before the effort. Your brain will panic at first. It will beg. It will lie to you. Let it. Because once it stops getting the cheap stuff, it starts craving the real thing. Step 3, make starting embarrassingly easy. Most people fail not because the task is too hard, they fail because the start is too big. Your brain's amygdala, the threat detection center, scans every task for danger. Big tasks trigger big alarms, but small tasks fly completely under the radar. So shrink the start until your brain can't say no. Don't write the essay. Just open the document. Don't run 5 miles. Just put on your shoes. Don't build the business. Just open the Notes app. This is called the gateway task, and it works because of a phenomenon called the Zeigarnik Effect. Your brain is actually wired to feel uncomfortable leaving things unfinished. Once you start, it wants to continue. The hardest part was never the work. It was always the start. Step 4, follow resistance, not motivation. Here's the trap most people fall into. They wait to feel motivated before doing hard things. But motivation is a feeling, and feelings come and go. Resistance is different. Resistance is a signal. Whatever you've been avoiding the most right now, that thing you keep pushing to tomorrow, that's exactly where your growth is hiding. The call you don't want to make, the project you keep delaying, the habit you know you need but keep ignoring, that discomfort you feel isn't weakness. That's your nervous system protecting the old version of you. The version that stays small, stays safe, stays average. Do the hard thing, not because it feels right. Do it because it's proof you're not that person anymore. Step 5, build the evidence. Your brain believes what it repeatedly sees. Every hard thing you avoid builds a case that says you're someone who quits. Every hard thing you do builds a case that says you're someone who doesn't. This is called identity-based behavior, and it's one of the most powerful forces in neuroscience. You don't rise to your goals, you fall to your identity. So start stacking evidence. One hard thing every single day, cold shower, difficult conversation, the task you've been avoiding. It doesn't have to be massive. It has to be consistent, because over time, hard stops feeling like a choice. It becomes who you are. Your brain was designed for comfort, but you were built for more than comfort. 5 steps. Stop negotiating. Cut the cheap dopamine. Make the start tiny. Follow resistance. Stack the evidence. Do this for 30 days, and the hard things that used to paralyze you, they'll become the things you actually crave. Comment below which step are you starting with today. And if this hit different, subscribe this channel. And this is where the real work begins.